If you're a construction business struggling to track leads, estimates, projects, and revenue, the dashboard tool in your Bolster platform can help. Your fully customizable dashboard contains key metrics and performance indicators to help visualize how your construction or contracting business is performing based on leads, estimates, projects, and invoices that you've created in the platform. There is no additional setup needed when you sign up for Bolster. This dashboard comes pre-built as a default view. We can use the dashboard to compare metrics over a defined period, such as this year, this month, or this week, by using the drop-down menu on the top right of the screen. If you want to change the tiles you see on the dashboard, you can simply click the Charts button on the top right of your screen. From here, you can select the metrics that you want to see. For example, if we wanted to see a tile related to the invoice status metrics, we could select it from the Charts menu. When added, it appears at the bottom of the dashboard when scrolled down. If we want to move this tile further up, all we need to do is click and hold the 6 dots icon next to the tile and drag this upwards. When opening back up the Charts menu, you'll see it has also moved positions. To see more detailed numbers associated with your charts, simply hover over the point you would like to see. You can also hover over the comparison percentages to see the number difference compared to the last period. If you have any further questions, your Bolster Relationship Manager can help you with setting up and tracking the right metrics for your business in the dashboard. To gain access to this tool and many other features, sign up for Bolster today.